Make the point.
The point is simply this, that they have suppressed the record.
भाई चलें आगे बढ़िए ना प्लीज.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, kindly not. This is a very important point because this entire chart that they filed becomes very suspicious when your lordships realize that this chart is based on suppression of documents. Page 144.
Whatever they filed.
Sir, मुझे अर्ज करने दें एक लम्हे के लिए. It's very important. They've filed a chart and they've said इतने लोगों ने सिर्फ टिकट जमा कराया.
I think it's very important.
There's no impediment at all. Now, just for a moment again, going back to the facts that I've stated in CMA 5913 on behalf of PTI, I will not read these, it's just 3 or 4 pages, but these may very kindly be looked at. This will explain what happened. The Nazariati ticket was filed because we were told your PTI tickets are not acceptable. So we had no option then. We were desperately trying to give the people of Pakistan an opportunity to vote for the party that they want to vote. It was our fear that if each constituency, a National Assembly constituency in Punjab at least, has one NA candidate and 5 provincial assembly candidates underneath, 6 different symbols in one constituency. This is the election we had to fight ultimately. So in order to prevent that from happening, we went for the Nazariati in the hope that we would have a common election symbol. But that was quashed, both by the Election Commission, the order that Faisal Siddiqui Saab just read, and I actually on my own felt uncomfortable. So I gave it, and within 5 minutes I took it back. I said, no, come what may, I'm going to contest as PTI.
Since you keep bringing your person into the matter,
They filed my papers, sir. They filed my papers. I did not.
Can you just let for the question? If I ask you today, because there's a statutory declaration which says you belong to Nazariati.
I would not. I know what my lord said. There's a reason why I'm interrupting. With great respect.
No.
This is a matter before the courts. I would request my lord not to make any comment.
I'm not making please, it's not a comment, it's a question. The statute declaration which shows you as Nazariati, there's a certificate which you referred to which shows you as PTI, and now you're saying you are Sunni.
No, I'm not. You may not respond to
now can you just tell me which political party you belong to?
I do not want to respond to this question. I remain PTI.
You are not before us.
Yes,
you're not before us.
You keep referring to yourself.
They filed my papers. I don't know why.
You are partyless. I mean, it's not a state secret. It's a factual plea.
But me, the person Salman Akram Raja is not relevant. I will, with great respect, not answer that question at the moment.
We are asking you which political party you don't want to answer.
But as far as Kamal Shazab is concerned, she's PTI and she will join SIC if SIC is allowed seats. I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I've done my duty. I've placed my points before the court. For the court to decide.
आपसे भी सच नहीं बोला जा रहा.
सच बिल्कुल बोला जा रहा है.
2018 में PMLN के साथ वही हो रहा था जो आज PTI के साथ हो रहा है. And nobody speaks the truth. This is something known to everyone. And that is how constitution should be interpreted, to uphold the democratic principles and the structure, and particularly the rights of those voters who have been wronged.
CMA 5913 states all of that. I urge the court to read my CMA 5913 on behalf of PTI. We've explained what we're facing.
Or anything left?
I'm very grateful for that opportunity.
Will you want to conclude it? Yes. Shall Reserve? Speak. इसमें लिखिए.
Why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordships should intervene, if your lordships see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the election commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a ground for intervention.
2018 के इलेक्शन थे वो सही थे. If go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second effort. The 5840.
प्लीज इस पे कामरान मुर्तजा साहब ने वजाहत दी थी कि ये फोटोकॉपी में मिस प्रिंट है और ओरिजिनल में ये प्रिंट ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा,
ओमिट ना करें इस बात को.
जी, वो वजाहत हवा में थी, अभी तक कोई कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस. जब आ जाएगा तो फिर मैं भी वजाहत दे दूं. मैंने ये उनकी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड किया है और मैंने कल भी चेक किया था, यही है और कोई और क्लॉज नहीं है. कामरान मुर्तजा, टू बी फेयर टू हिम, he said there is some other clause which deals with minority, there is no other clause.